Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off or delete color adjustments shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. There are two ways we can delete our shortcut. For example, if we have our shortcut here on the bottom right in our accessibility options shortcut, we can just simply go to edit here, then select actions and uncheck our color adjustment. But we can also go to settings, then to, accessibility options, then visibility enhancements, and here we have our color adjustments options, and here it is our shortcut. We can change it from here if we want to, and we can also turn it off. And now we have our shortcut turned off. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.